Alicia, and oh my god, you guys, it's been so hot lately. Leave a comment down below and tell me what the temperature is where you live, but I can't take this anymore. The sun is straight up killing my hair, so I need to put it away. So I'm doing this protective style today just to give my hair a little break, because yes, it is killing my hair. But anyways, I decide to wear a wig, and again, you guys, this comes from PremierLaceWigs.com, and what you guys just saw in the last clip is everything that comes along with your wig. But this is the wig that I did pick out. I didn't want anything too long. I actually wanted something short. Like, I don't ever wear anything short, but I did pick up their bob, and I do believe I do have a sale going on right now, so definitely check it out. But before I wear my wigs, I need to hydrate my hair. That is very important. My hair is moisturized, but definitely hydrate your hair. So I'm using my Cream of Nature straight from Eden and just spraying it all over, and then taking my handy dandy black stocking cap. That is the color that I prefer. You can use a nude one if you do prefer that, but I do prefer black. And I'm just going to put it on my head just so I can protect my hair, okay? But before you guys cut off your lace, make sure you do try the wig on. I cannot stress it enough. I know when you guys get your wigs, you're like, girl, I'm going out tonight with it, but try it on first. And I love to do the hair shed test, okay? So what I do is I take my hands and I just run it, and I kind of pull it a little hard just to see how much shedding comes off. Because I've been doing this for a while, I realized that you get around maybe 4 or 5 strands, okay? Anything more than that, then do it again. If it keeps coming out in clumps, then you have a dirty wig, okay? And take that stuff back, all right? But I only got like 4 strands, okay? But I went ahead and cut my lace off camera. I will leave a video down below showing you how I cut my lace. And now I'm just laying my baby hairs. I did tweeze and cut down my baby hairs off camera. I will leave a video also down below showing you guys how I do that. It's very easy. But now I'm just going to go ahead and lay my hair. I'm using a little bit of eyeshadow powder because, girl, I lost my foundation powder because I just moved and I cannot find anything. I'm so mad right now. So yeah, but anyways, I'm taking my eyeshadow palette and putting that in the parting space, and that's it. I find that this bob was hecka easy. I don't want to cuss, so it was just super easy, guys. I didn't even have to use my pro concealer like I always do, okay? Very easy. And now I'm just taking my flat iron and just flat ironing my hair. I do need some help, you guys. I do want a suggestion of a good flat iron because this one is kind of like, yeah, I had it for like 5 years and I need a new one. But now I'm taking my curling wand and just flattening the top because this wig had a huge lump on top. So remove that comb in the very center and just flatten the top with your curling wand, and it will look very, very laid, okay? And for flyaways, I like to use my foaming wrap mousse. Just a little bit, and just lay down those flyaways. You want to do that every day that you wear your wig because, yeah, they will stick straight up. And this is the way the hair is looking like. This is so cute, you guys. This is, again, from PremierLaceWigs.com. This is their asymmetrical bob in 14 inches. I do believe they do have a sale going on, so take a look at that, all right? And I absolutely love the way an asymmetrical bob looks like on me because I'm tall and I have a very long neck and kind of like a long jaw, so an asymmetrical bob will look really good on anybody who has features like me. Okay, so anyways, I'm loving this wig. This was the easiest wig and it's super cute, you guys. I love it, okay? But again, PremierLaceWigs.com. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye, guys.